G'day everybody, where's Wally here? One of my longtime subs, French Crow, sent me on a bit of a duck hunt, and I wasn't disappointed. Apparently this level Earth observer has blocked French Crow, even after just one comment. So let's go and have a look and see what he's got. I had a bit of a hunt down his videos and stopped at something to do with the ISS, one of my favourites. So let's have a play and see what he's talking about.
Now, this official footage supposedly shot from the ISS would suggest that the ISS has just flattened the globe. Let's have a look. I would suggest anyone put a straight edge up against that Earth's horizon. You'll see that it's totally straight. I'd like to know how that works on the ISS when we get to see usually gigantic amounts of curvature.
We usually see gigantic amounts of curvature. Well, then why are you questioning this? Is this image somehow pandering to your desire for flatness? Ask yourself, why dismiss many images in favour of just one? I think that's showing up your biases, Elio.
So did the ISS drop really low below 40,000 feet for this shot? And someone please explain to me why this footage from the supposed ISS is showing a totally flat Earth. Has the ISS just flattened the globe? For fuck's sake.
So you want to know why you're seeing relatively straight horizon. Could it be because the camera is zoomed in at this particular point to capture the moon as it's setting? Here is what we would normally see from the ISS. And by the way, this is a lunar eclipse we are seeing there, so this in itself is a globe sign for me. Oh, and you can see the umbra and penumbra there, Rich, if you get a look. Now compare that moon to the moon. Let's have a look at the same moon about 10 hours later. The shadow is gone and we see a glorious full moon. Okay, now let's just zoom in till we see the moon about the same size as Elio's image. That he is admittedly cherry picking like a seasonal fruit worker on his last day on the farm. Well, would you look at that? When you zoom in on a small part of a large curve, it appears to be relatively straight. Alright, by way of checking that, let's look at the Earth curve calculator of choice, Walter Bisland. And normal, and zoomed in. Well, what do you know, we see flatness. So maybe it's the zoom that flattened the curve, not the ISS at all. Level Earth observer, I think you owe the ISS an apology. Go and have a look at this beautiful footage. I'll play both of these from a year ago in full. One shows the moon in the lunar eclipse and one shows it about 10 hours later, both setting. Let's enjoy this. G'day, where's Wally here? Just watching some lunar eclipse like everybody else, and I noticed Soundly was doing really well, but I had the ISS stream up and guess what? I could see the lunar eclipse from the ISS rear camera feed. Very cool. There it is on the left hand side, so just watch it as it slides down to the horizon.